No food or drinks while doing the experiment. Put your hair up in a tight ponytail. Have fun in the science lab and wear safety goggles.
So step one, we're going to get some plants. I have a monstera plant here, some part of my pineapple plant, and some basil. These are the plants the kids chose. And we are going to crush it up. So to do that, I'm using my motor and pedestal here. And I am going to first cut it into small pieces. And then I'm going to mush it up until it becomes goo, because we want to get those chemicals